Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with an Ekadashi special recipe. Today we will make Rajgira Halwa, which is quick and easy to make. Rajgira Halwa is also known as Rajgira Shira. Rajgira is also known as Ramdana or Amaranth. This is not a grain, rather a crop used in Ekadashi. Rajgira halwa is a gluten free dessert mainly consumed during fasting. It is quite nutritious and gives a best sweet options for Ekadashi in just 15 minutes. So let's get started. First, let's take a pan and into this add a little less than half cup of ghee. Now melt it. The ghee has melted and into this add 1 cup of Rajgira flour. Now mix the flour well with ghee and let it roast on low flame only. Keep stirring it continuously until the flour turns a bit more golden in color. It is mandatory to stir continuously or else it would burn from a side. Moreover, this recipe takes just 15 minutes to get ready. Now you can see the flour has roasted enough with some color change. Now into this add 1 1/2 cup of milk. We have to add milk slowly. Now mix all this well. Keep stirring continuously to avoid the formation of lumps. We need to cook this mixture until all the milk has absorbed and combined. With this, even the ghee will be released and accumulate at the sides. Rajgira is very rich in calcium and also high in iron and magnesium. Further, Rajgira also has vitamin C constitutes. Now you can see the ghee has released. Into this add 3/4 cup of sugar and mix it very well until it melts and combines thoroughly. This is the perfect measurement of sugar in the halwa, but if you prefer lesser or more sweeter halwa, you can alter the quantity as well. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Now you can see the sugar has melted and combined well. Further, the ghee has also released well. You can see the consistency of the halwa and it is perfect. Sometimes there are complaints wherein the halwa becomes either too loose or too hard. But if you take the same measurements of this recipe, you will get the perfect consistency and texture of halwa. Now our halwa is ready. Into this add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, some raisins, some chopped almonds and some chopped pistachios. Give it a mix. Now you may find ghee to be more, but after the halwa cools, the ghee too gets absorbed. And generally, this halwa has more ghee than others. So halwa is ready. Now switch off the flame. The halwa is absolutely ready. And let's garnish it with some chopped almonds, chopped pistachios, and some dried rose petals. Ultimately, place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our Ekadashi special Rajgira Halwa is offered and ready. You can try out this quick recipe on the coming Ekadashi. If you like Bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.